Your car's braking system is its most crucial safety feature, and often overlooked is the health of its brake fluid. Over time, this vital fluid can degrade, compromising your stopping power and potentially leading to dangerous situations. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through how to properly check, flush, and refill your brake fluid, ensuring peak performance and safety on the road. Why is a brake fluid flush so important? Brake fluid is hygroscopic, meaning it absorbs moisture from the air. This absorbed water lowers the fluid's boiling point, which can lead to vapor lock and brake fade under heavy braking. Additionally, contaminants can accumulate, corroding internal brake components. Regular flushing maintains the fluid's integrity, protects your brake system, and ensures consistent, reliable stopping power. Before we begin, gather your essential tools and materials. You'll need fresh, DOT-specified brake fluid, a turkey baster or fluid extractor, a transparent hose, a collection bottle, a wrench suitable for your bleeder valves, jack stands, a floor jack, safety glasses, gloves, and shop towels. Having everything ready will make the process smooth and efficient. Safety is paramount when working on your vehicle's braking system. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect against corrosive brake fluid. Ensure your car is securely lifted on jack stands on a level surface before you ever get underneath it. Never rely solely on a floor jack. Brake fluid can damage paint, so be mindful of spills. Let's start by checking your current brake fluid. Locate your brake fluid reservoir under the hood. The reservoir typically has min and max lines. The fluid level should be between these marks. More importantly, inspect the fluid's color. New brake fluid is clear or slightly amber. If yours looks dark brown or black, it's a clear indicator that it's contaminated and needs immediate attention. Now for the pre-flush preparations. Start by using your turkey baster or fluid extractor to remove as much old fluid as possible from the reservoir without letting the fluid level drop completely empty. Refill the reservoir with fresh, new brake fluid. This helps to flush out more contaminants from the start. Loosen, but do not remove, your lug nuts, then lift your car securely and place it on jack stands, removing the wheels. The flushing process begins at the wheel furthest from the master cylinder, typically the rear passenger side. Attach one end of your clear hose to the bleeder valve and place the other end into your collection bottle with a small amount of new brake fluid at the bottom. With the engine off, have a helper pump the brake pedal a few times, then hold it down. While the pedal is held, open the bleeder valve, allowing old fluid to drain into the bottle. Watch for air bubbles and discolored fluid. Close the valve, your helper releases the pedal. Repeat this process until clean, new fluid appears, then move to the next wheel in the sequence: rear driver, front passenger, front driver. Throughout this process, continuously monitor and top off the master cylinder reservoir with new fluid to prevent air from entering the system. Never let the reservoir run dry. Once all four wheels are flushed and you've seen clear, new fluid emerging, securely close all bleeder valves. Top off the master cylinder reservoir to the max line with fresh brake fluid. Ensure the cap is securely fastened. It's crucial not to overfill, as fluid expands when hot. With the flush complete, it's time for post-flush checks. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times to build pressure. It should feel firm and consistent. Slowly drive the car in a safe, open area, testing the brakes at low speeds to confirm proper function. Visually inspect all bleeder valves and brake lines for any signs of leaks. Reinstall your wheels, torquing the lug nuts to manufacturer specifications, and carefully lower your vehicle. Mastering your car's brake fluid flush is a vital part of its routine maintenance that significantly impacts your safety and the longevity of your braking system. By following these steps, you'll ensure your brakes respond precisely and reliably every time you hit the pedal. Remember to check your owner's manual for recommended flush intervals, usually every 2 to 3 years, or every 30,000 to 45,000 miles. Drive safely, and enjoy the confidence of a well-maintained vehicle.